Hello, good morning to everyone. Myself, Dr. Sudipto Shekhar Das. Currently, I am heading the Department of Transfusion Medicine in a 750 bedded tertiary care hospital in the city of Kolkata, located in the eastern region of India. Hope all of you are healthy and safe. The entire world is suffering the COVID-19 pandemic, with human beings affected in one or the other way. All facilities and systems have been affected globally, including medical and blood transfusion services. With an acute shortage of blood and blood components worldwide, many patients have been affected, particularly those who are transfusion dependent. In this existing pandemic, blood safety and blood donor safety are a big concern. We as blood transfusion experts should insist on collecting safe blood from healthy donors. I personally have taken few extra and important steps to ensure blood collection from safe donors. Wearing masks, social distancing and hand washing are made mandatory. As donor enters the blood bank premises, they are advised to wash their hands properly, followed by sanitizing their hands. No donors are allowed without mask. Donors sit on chair in the donor waiting lobby for registration, keeping a seat in between two donors empty. Alternate seats carry signage, "Do not sit here." Red circles are fixed on the floors at considerable distances where donors can stand whenever needed. An extra donor questionnaire containing 3 pertinent questions has been developed to ensure donor is symptom free or he or she did not have any contact for COVID-19 or did not have any travel history, particularly in the last 28 days. All blood bank staff wear adequate personal protective equipment as per requirement under the hospital and blood bank policies. The medical officer of blood bank ensures a detailed question answer session and detailed medical examination, including thermal screening of the donors. In the blood collection facility, alternate donor couches are made active for donations to maintain adequate distancing. Proper distancing have also been incorporated in the donor refreshment room, where alternate seats are disabled and proper signages have been put. Before leaving the blood bank, donor sanitizes their hand and they are told to wear mask, maintain social distancing and use alcohol based sanitizers in the future. After 14 days of donation, each and every donor is personally contacted over telephone to ask their well-being and health. As till date, COVID-19 is said not to be transfusion transmitted, therefore no blood bank has started anti-COVID antibody donor screening as a routine process. However, to maintain blood safety as of now, we quarantine the red blood cell unit and plasma unit for 14 days and if not possible then 7 days. Platelet which have a short life of 5 days are issued between 3 to 5 days. In addition, since centrifugation of blood samples from COVID patient may generate infected aerosols, so proper SOPs are placed in the blood bank laboratory for staff safety. All blood requisitions are received from COVID ward electronically rather than manually. Therefore, in totality, adequate steps and precautions have been taken in transfusion service to ensure donor safety, staff safety and blood safety. Wish you all a good health. Thank you.